Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit lock screen in iPhone. Let's start. So everyone, or I guess, if not some, but I guess if like most of us now already have like smartphones, and back in the days, there's no way for you to like save your home screen using your photos, or if whatever home lock screen that you have or whatever wallpaper that you have, that's pretty much a default on the phone. But because of how our technology has evolved nowadays, there's actually tons of ways for you to make your phone colorful by changing the lock screen. And I'm gonna show you how it's done. So lock screen is pretty much this one, guys. So whatever is whatever wallpaper or photo that you've set up to have your lock screen, you can actually edit this on iPhone. So I'll show you how it's done. Go to settings. Okay, and from settings, look for the option that says wallpaper, and then you are led to this page where you could choose a new wallpaper. So just click on the choose new wallpaper, and then say if we want to have something that's dynamic. So this one is actually moving. So for example, I want to choose this one, and then just click on set. So when you do that, it would give you an option if you would like to have this set on lock screen, or if you want to set this as home screen, or you want to set it for both. So for instance, I just want to have it set on lock screen. So if I will lock my phone, this is what you will see. See? So that's how easy it is. And if you like to have the still one wherein, it doesn't move, just a still photo, you could definitely do that as well by using the same option, guys. Okay? Same instruction. So there. So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.